How to create absolute temperature. Absolute temperature, also known as Kelvin temperature, is an absolute scale of temperature. 0 K, 0 Kelvin, is the state of thermal equilibrium at which all molecular motion ceases and the particles of a substance have minimal kinetic energy. To achieve this, it is necessary to completely remove the energy of atoms or molecules in conditions close to very low temperatures. This is a very difficult task and is impossible under normal conditions. In fact, it is theoretically possible to reach 0 K, but it is difficult to achieve in the real world due to thermodynamic constraints. Due to thermodynamic constraints, infinite energy is required to infinitely lower the temperature. Therefore, it is impossible to reach absolute temperature in reality. How to lower the temperature to near absolute temperature? To make liquid helium gas must be cooled to very low temperatures. Helium is a low-temperature gas that typically boils at 268.93 degrees Celsius, 452.07 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, it must be colder than this temperature to make it liquid. Lowering the temperature to near absolute temperature is a very difficult process that requires specialized equipment and techniques that operate in very low temperature conditions. Here are some approaches. 1. Refrigerators and freezers. Refrigerators and freezers, which are commonly used in scientific research and industrial applications, can be used to obtain low temperatures. 1. These devices can use liquid refrigerants to lower the temperature, and can reach very low temperatures. 2. Liquid helium cooling. Helium exists in a gas state at very low temperatures, and liquid helium can be used to obtain very low temperatures. 2. This is commonly used in research experiments. 3. Laser cooling. There is a technique that uses lasers to actually cool atoms. 3. This is used to cool atoms to very low temperatures. 4. Bose-Einstein condensates. Bose-Einstein condensates operate at very low temperatures, and are used to study conditions near absolute temperature. These techniques are much more complex and expensive than dealing with high-temperature environments, so they are used for specialized applications or scientific research. For everyday use, a regular refrigerator or freezer is sufficient. Here is a more detailed explanation. 1. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of atoms and molecules in a substance. 1. The higher the temperature, the faster the atoms and molecules are moving. 2. Absolute temperature is a scale of temperature that starts at 0 K, which is the coldest possible temperature. 3. It is impossible to reach absolute temperature because it would require infinite energy to remove all the kinetic energy from atoms and molecules. 4. However, it is possible to lower the temperature to near absolute temperature using specialized equipment and techniques. Conclusion. It is impossible to reach absolute temperature in reality, but it is possible to lower the temperature to near absolute temperature using specialized equipment and techniques.